in this wedding ceremony is a time for you to inaugurate that foundation para with Christ's presence, hindi siya agad mag-iba. You, Cyril and Jeremiah, treasure each other's company. Support one another in the reading, the love, the foundation of love should be with you until the end of time. Bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makisang dibdib si Jeremiah na iyong pakakamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, bukal po ito sa aking loob.
Jeremiah, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Cyril na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Kahit mag-umulan o baha, kung talagang you are committed to it and you're required to do it, hindi hadlang ang malakas na ulan. Ganoon din yan sa pagmamahal. Kahit umiba man ang anyo o ng mukha ng inyong asawa, kahit umiba man ang amoy ng inyong asawa, you will still love your spouse. Why? You are committed.
You're a picture, and every piece seems to fall into place. You're the moment when I know that I will never.
My childhood best friend. Bata pa lang tayo, pinagtagpo na tayo ni Lord. Simula nung sumasayo ka sa kalsada, at tuwing sumasayo ka, pangalan ko ang sinisigaw nila. Dalaga't binata pa lang tayo, ikaw na ang nalalapitan ko tuwing may problema at malungkot ako.
This love is the best thing I have found. Like a garden bursting through the ground. Every hope brought to life. Every day
Jam, I don't know how to start. All I know is I'm happy that finally we are married now. I was like a lost kid na hindi alam kung saan ako dadalhin ng panahon. But then you came, give directions to my life. Hindi ako yung Cyril na inhirap ka sa altar ngayon kung hindi dahil sa'yo. Gaya ng lagi kong sinasabi, I'm very grateful dahil ikaw ang naging asawa ko, mother of our kids, makakasama ko habang buhay.
Every word that I could find in the corners of my mind will never be enough to let you know. This love is the best thing I have.
Lagi mong tatandaan na nandito lang ako at ng mga bata. Sobrang blessed kami at thankful kami kasi ikaw yung lalaking nagpapahalaga sa amin. Matagal na natin pinangarap tong araw na to. At salamat sa Diyos. Ito na to.
I choose you and will continue to choose you over and over again hanggang sa susunod na habang buhay, ma. Sa harap ng Panginoon, I will marry the love of my life. I love you.
Is the best thing I have found. You're the best thing.